We're going to take a regular iPad and turn it into a self-service kiosk using Jamf Now and the single app mode feature. Let's show you how. First of all, this iPad is already enrolled and managed by Jamf Now. If you want to learn about that, check out our other videos. Now that it's managed, I can create a blueprint. Think of a blueprint as a collection of apps and settings that I'm going to apply to this iPad. I have one called Kiosk Mode here, and in this blueprint, I've already chosen the app called Kiosk Pro Lite that I'm going to use for my self-service kiosk. Now, what I do with Jamf Now is I select the single app mode settings. I can choose the app that I want to launch, and then I can also disable auto lock, disable the screen rotation, and disable the sleep wake button. So essentially what I'm doing here is I'm turning this iPad into a single purpose kiosk. I'll save that, and in just a few moments, this will be applied to the iPad right here. So now the Kiosk Pro app has launched, and you'll notice that it stays in place. Even if I hit the home button, I can't switch away from it. In this case, I've told the Kiosk Pro app what web content I want to load. So right now I'm loading photos from a local designer's Instagram feed. Now the use case for this is I could put an iPad like this, or maybe a few iPads, into a retail shop. And then customers could easily browse the collection as they're shopping there and see the clothing in a real-life setting. This is just a simple example of using an iPad as a self-service kiosk. Other examples include an ordering system for a quick service restaurant. Maybe you've seen this where you can order directly from the table. Here at Jamf, we use an iPad in this configuration for checking in visitors or guests at our office. You could do the same thing for your office or maybe your school. Another common example is at an event, if you want to do self-service registration or guest entry, really easy to set that up with many different iPad apps and then use the self-service mode to ensure that the iPad is always running the app that you like. Thanks for checking it out. Go to jamfnow.com to learn more about Jamf Now and get started setting up single app mode on your iPad. Thank you.